Hi, welcome, Simon here, and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be changing out the battery on an iPhone 7 Plus. I know that the phone is kind of old, but it's still a working phone, and why not just change the battery and give it a couple more years to live before doing the upgrade or before Apple retiring the OS and force everyone to go with the new phone. So let's jump right into it. As you can see that the battery is swollen, it kind of pushes out the screen and indicates that there might be one of the sign that you can find out that the battery needs to be changed, or when the battery is at 100% charge, it only lasts you like for an hour or two. It doesn't last you throughout the day, then more likely, yeah, the phone is a new battery. Alright, let's jump right into it. I'll be using a Pentaloop P2. This is a 0.8. I'm going to remove the two screws here at the very bottom. Okay, once the two screws are removed, I'll be using a metal prying tool to go in between the screen and kind of pry it open. There's an adhesive around the phone to prevent the dust or any water to get in. So you need to kind of cut that adhesive seal to open up the phone. At this point, I'm just going to turn the phone to the right. As you can see that the battery is not original, it has been replaced before, and the phone is kind of died off again. So let's go ahead and change out the battery. The next step, I'll be using a screwdriver. This is a Y-shaped screwdriver. Let's go ahead and remove all the screws here. Okay, just kind of remove that metal bracket, and that is the battery connector. So disconnect the battery connector, and that two cable right there is for the flex cable on the phone, on the screen, for the screen. Okay, so I'll be using a screwdriver, 0.6, a little Y-shaped screwdriver. Go ahead and remove the three screws to disconnect the front speaker, the front camera, the proximity sensor is all part of that one piece. So removing the three screws, right after that, remove the metal bracket. Once the metal bracket is removed, go ahead and disconnect that cable. Now we want to jump right into this to remove the battery. It looks like the battery is held down with the this little tape here. So try not to break it, which most of the time it will break because of the age of the tape. I'm removing these three screws to kind of give me a slightly better room to work with because it is very tight. So I just kind of remove the three screws and open that up. While the thing is hanging, you do not want to move it really hard and snap that cable. So make sure the cable doesn't snap. I'm using my thumb to holding at it, and give me a good leverage to get in between the white tape and pull it out. Okay, so be very careful when you pull the thing out. Again, like I said, that they can easily break. And if it breaks, this is the problem. You need to have more work to get the thing out. Yeah, so this is not an easy job, especially when that tape breaks, because the thing is still holding it down really tight. And every time when I work with the battery, I want to be very careful, because if you do puncture the battery, it may catch fire. That is one of the biggest danger on a battery. They do, you know, it's not easy to work with. So I'm trying to go in between. Okay, so that is one of them. And the second one is right here. right. Well, it's kind of weird. This doesn't seem to be the original casing. The back plate is not a glass, it's a plastic, and there's no Wi-Fi charging. No idea. I'm just gonna change out the battery and then move on. I just put the double-sided tape on, reposition the battery, put it back in, and now I can finish up the rest. Alright, once I have everything all back together, align the one on the top here, position it, crunch it down. Now you can see that the battery is not bulging, it's not pushing up against the screen, so it's all flat. That is a good sign. Go ahead and power up the phone. I might need to charge up the new battery because it looks like the new battery is dead. And do not forget the two batteries here. I mean the two screw, not the two batteries. Pretty much that's about it. And power up the the phone, if it's dead, the new battery, just charge it up and it should be all good to go. Hopefully this gives the phone a couple more years to go. And yep, thanks for watching. Bye now.